Hi everyone, just a very quick video about yes, another annoying noise from my Kalkhoff e-bike. I've had this strange creaking noise that sort of goes in time with the pedals. I've done an audio recording to try and help identify it. And I tried various things. It goes in time with the pedals. So first I thought, well, is it the pedal? But the pedals seem pretty good. So then I've discovered that if you just look at this, where the crank joins to the bottom bracket, this nut here, it seems pretty tight. I can just get 14mm on, but you can I actually managed to just tighten it a little bit more. Only a few degrees, and that seems to have been enough to sort it out. Just pause a sec. Nip it up pretty tight. I'll do the same on the other side, and then in the past that's just been enough to get rid of that creaking noise. So it's nothing serious to do with the motor or anything like I thought it probably would be. Just that little bit flexing in that joint there. Hope that's helpful. Thanks everyone, bye.